So, bear with me, guys. I hope you can see what I'm doing because most of this build that I'm gonna do, I'll be doing it on the floor because I really don't have a long table like that to build this. So I'll be building this on the floor. Just bear with me. If you can't see, I hope by the time I'm done and lift it up, you guys will be able to see where I'm at. So I'm gonna be marking where I want my drawers to start, and I need to cut the wood that will divide the drawers, and then yeah, we'll go from there. But I'm gonna mark first where my drawers and the shelves are gonna be. All right. Here I have a router, but I've never used it before. I don't know how to use it, but I know how to make that groove with using the table saw. So I'm gonna use the table saw and make that groove where I can insert my cardboard for the bottom of the boxes for the drawers. So you can hear. So this is the groove I'm talking about. This is what I need to cut from my table saw so I can insert the bottom part of the cardboard, which is going to be the base, the bottom part of the box for the drawers. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the same to all the drawers. As you can see, I've left at least an inch. I think this is an inch, or a little bit of a little bit closer to an inch. This is enough to hold the, that's what I think. Like I said, this is my first time. So if I'm making a mistake, you all are gonna see it. So I don't know if you can see it. This is what it looks like. Let me bring it closer. That's what the table saw is giving me, this groove right here to insert the cardboard. All right, let me finish cutting the rest and I'll be right back. Truth. Let me Let me add some glue on both sides. I've already added glue on this roof line here. Sorry. And add some glue here because I want everything to be secure before I can insert. I want everything to be secure, so I'm adding dabs of glue inside the groove because I want everything to hold really good and last really long. Even though this is my first time, but I'm gonna make sure I do everything as perfect as I can. Just a dab of glue on both sides, and we will go pick up the, I'll go pick up the, no, I think it's underneath the cardboard, and if we'll see if I get it right. We'll insert the cardboard. My favorite part is always the end result. I'm exhausted. I need to go to sleep. Okay, let's put the last one in and we'll see how we're doing. I never thought building these boxes were gonna be so difficult. I don't know what I did wrong. Boy, it's giving me the run for my money. Like I said previously, I've made a lot of mistakes, but we're getting there, we're fixing it. We'll make sure everything is in the right place. It looks like it. Awesome. Now I'm gonna nail this and then we'll go from there. This is awesome. Okay. More reinforcement. My nail gun is acting up. I don't know what's going on. Oh, first box down. 3 more to go. Oh, this is gonna be a deep drawer. That's what I like. I want it to be a deep drawer. Oh man. Oh, okay. I was thinking this is not level. Oh, this was underneath it. It looks good and it looks level. Look at it sitting right there. Oh my God. I can't believe this. Okay. First box down. I'll see if I can finish this up. It's now 8:30, so I'll try to work till 10:30 p.m. or 10 o'clock p.m. and I go to bed. Go shower and go to bed. We'll try and build a few more boxes till 10 o'clock. If I can finish all 3 boxes till 10, I'll be fine. So that tomorrow I'll start and see how I can install the slides on the side. And then if I need to put frame on it, we're good to go. Jesus, help me. I'll see you guys later. All right, I just got my drawer slide just delivered just right now. Literally right now. I was here in the garage just moving stuff so I can start working. So the delivery guy just came in right now. So let's see if these drawers are gonna go in. Oh Lordy, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Oh my God. Please go in, please. Please don't play me like that. Don't do me like that, please. Okay. All right, let's see. Come on, wherever you are. Come on. In. Out. As you guys have seen me struggling, I had to take everything out and see if I can fix it again. So I did that behind the camera, but it is a struggle. So let's see if this is gonna work. Oh my God, I got a drawer. Oh my God. Oh my God, I am so excited. I did it. One drawer down. Come on. Tell me something. Okay. As I've struggled to build this drawer, I'm gonna struggle again to build 1, 2, 3 more drawers. Time to prime. The cabinet is all done. I've sanded it down, so I'm using these skills to all-purpose interior and exterior primer. It says multi-surface sealer and stain blocker. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'll be applying 2 coats of primer on the cabinet. Like I said, the cabinet is done. The drawers are done. They're over there. Excuse my garage, it's a mess right now. I've been working here for weeks now. Everything is out of place, but I could have built this in my office, but like my clients come in every day almost to get their hair done, so it would have been dusty and hazardous. I didn't want to put them in that environment. To build this in the office while they come get their hair done. So that is why I'm building it here in the garage, and then we'll move it to the office. Hopefully it will get in the office. I'm just keeping my fingers crossed. You guys pray for me. Hopefully this will get in the office. It should get in the office because I have worked so hard for this. Let's prime it and then apply 2 coats of the black ink paint, and I'll show you guys later the result. Yes. Yes, guys, I am so excited. I am so excited to show you guys how the cabinet turned out. Here it is, the cabinet. Here it is, the wall-to-wall cabinet. I'm about to move it, position it to where it's supposed to be. But I've been working on this cabinet for the past 2 weeks since my last build, which was the cabinet that will house my salon products. So this cabinet really it gave me a headache. It taught me a lot. There's a lot I've learned on building this cabinet. Like I said in the video, I have never built cabinet with drawers before. This is my first time, but as you can see, I think I did good. There's a lot of mistakes I've made behind the scene, which was really a hassle, but I've learned, like I said, I've learned a lot building this cabinet. So it took me literally 2 weeks. I worked during my break time and at night, just trying to bring this video to you guys for you all to see. Like I said, I'm renovating my office. As you all can see, everything is all over the place. All this furniture I've moved around because I was painting the wall, so it's a mess. Just excuse my office right now. It is crazy. That is why I want to build a wall-to-wall cabinet, so I can have one big piece, wall-to-wall, everything on that wall right there, so I won't have all these different pieces of furniture in my office. So that's the idea. This is what I came up with this first build. So I'll be sharing with you my journey right now, and every cabinet I build I will share with you on my channel, so stay tuned. There's more to come. I'm done with this cabinet, so hopefully before next week I will be done with the next one that I'm building. I'm just keeping my fingers crossed, because with my work schedule and building this furniture, it takes me time to finish up with whatever I'm doing. But I have a time limit, or I have give myself a cap on how many months I want to spend building this renovating this office. So which most of it I'll be doing during my spare time, during my breaks, and maybe at night after I'm done with all my housework and all that. So yeah, here it is. What do you all think? Leave a comment down below and let me know how I did this time. Like I said, I'll be sharing with you step by step each build on this office renovation. I'll be sharing with you on my channel. Just hit the notification bell so you will get an alert every time I post a new build. So this is my journey right now on this channel. My journey right now is renovating this office. I really appreciate you guys. To all my beautiful subscribers, thank you so much for being part of my YouTube family. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so like I said, when I post a new video you will be notified. And please help me share this video with your family and friends. Thank you all so much. This is your girl Dixie saying bye till next time.